ہر زبان کے ہر سیاسی سوچ کے لوگ موجود ہوتے ہیں. بٹ وی پٹ دیٹ آل aside once we wear this uniform. That is our pride, that is our honor. We strive, we die on daily basis, not for some zaban, some alaka, some siyasi soch. We strive and die on daily basis for the people of Pakistan, for the integrity of Pakistan. And that we say very clearly. And we also don't come from the elite of Pakistan. We come from the middle classes, lower middle classes, the poor classes. We don't strive, we are not pursuing the agenda of हम किसी political actor का, किसी class का, किसी elitism का agenda लेके नहीं चलते. This is your armed forces. We are absolutely clear of the character of the armed forces of Pakistan, starting from soldier up to its field marshal. This is the way we are, this is the way we will. अगर कोई अपनी जात के लिए, अपने delusional mindset के लिए, अपनी नार्सिस सोच के लिए इस armed forces को, इसकी leadership पे attack करता है, then we will also come bare knuckle. There should be no doubt on that.